Okay, students, our next question is question number 3 of C. Verma examples. The SI and CGS units of energy. The SI is standard international unit and CGS also. Okay. CGS units of energy are, here it is given, SI and CGS units of energy, it is given joules and joule, only joule and urge, right, urge, respectively. How many urge? How many urges are equal to? How many urges are equal to 1 joule? What is the meaning of this question? Okay. And what type of knowledge we can get here? So here it is given, what given in this question? SI unit of energy, that is joule, in joule, okay, only joule. CGS unit of energy, what? Not the formula of energy, but unit, yeah, right, joule. Here it is urge, but it asked that how many urges, here underlines, please underline, how many urges are equal to 1 joule, means how many urges equal to 1 joule, right? Or reverse that question, this question, 1 joule is equal to how many urges, right? Here it is also kind of solved. 1 joule is equal to how many urges? Okay, 1 joule, how many urges are equal to 1 joule? Or 1 joule equal to how many urges? Okay, urges. So we find that, okay, we have to use energy formula. And then energy formula, what? Energy has a formula, half into mass into half multiplied by mass and multiplied by velocity power square. Velocity power square. Here is the energy formula, that is kinetic energy also. So we solve by this formula. 1 by 2 has no dimension. So by using dimensional formula, yeah, this is important to write. We get one line only, you have to write this. Okay, by using dimensional formula, we get here from energy is equal to, yeah, E is equal to also 1 by 2 is a dimensionless, so we cannot use this, and no function or work here. And mass has dimension m and velocity has dimension lt minus 1, right? But it has power 2. So we use it, and by total we get ml2t minus 2, that is the energy dimension, that is right, ml2t minus 2. But SI unit of energy is in joule, so SI unit of energy, okay, we have to express in this formula. We have to put this concept in our unit in this formula. How? Let's see. E by putting a square bracket on both sides. M is what? Mass, and mass is in SI unit. So in 1 kg, 1 kilogram, okay, and that is L. L power 2. L is the length. L is the length and has the unit and the value of 1 meter, power 2, and second power minus 2. Everybody can understand what the type of question it is. E is equal to power, not power, m L power 2 and T power minus 2. It is the dimension formula. We can use it to express these units, and it is right. It is right. We check it, but it is right. And it is called equation 1. Now in CGS, you have to write in CGS. Yeah, you have to write this. Without writing these lines, you can not solve it. But in CGS unit, we get, and CGS unit of energy, we get, here also we get, what we get, 1 kg 1 meter, power 2, and second minus 2 power. Okay. E is equal to E is equal to 1 kg, yeah, 1 kilogram. But in CGS unit, you have to only think of mass only, not whole formula. You have to think only one side, only one thing, only one unit, only one physical quantity, that is mass. And mass has the SI CGS unit, that is 1 gram. Yeah, 1 meter, 1 meter in SI unit, but in CGS unit, and the length is 1 centimeter, comes out to be, and second at second, no change. Okay, no change. We have to what? We have to compare these things. So by comparing and equating, by comparing 1 and 2, sorry, 1 and 2, we get, by comparing 1 and 2, we get energy cancel, energy and energy cancel out. Here only 1 comes out to be by total. By dividing E and E, only 1 is in there. 1 kg by 1 gram. You have to write 1 kg by 1 gram into 1 meter power 2, and 1 centimeter power 2 is here. Power 2, sorry, 1 meter. So you have to write 1 meter by 1 centimeter whole power 2. Yeah, second power cancels. Yeah, cancel out. Yeah, second power cancel out. Here is no. Power is same. Yeah. If power is not same, we equate by linear. Yeah, also algebra using. Okay, minus 2 in power and exponents. Second, 1 second. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second and 1 second. Power minus 2. Right, okay. 1 kg becomes 1000 gram. Yeah, you have to change in CGS. We have to find urge. So every dimension, every dimension change into your SI unit and change into CGS unit, and sorry, and then compare by using these two equations. So 1000 gram and by 1 gram. Okay, 1 meter. So we get 1 centimeter, and here is 1 centimeter power 2, and second by second power minus 2. No change. Second by second power minus 2. Yeah, time cancels out. Why? Second unit is same. How? Energy and energy same. So cancel out and becomes 1. Comes out to be 1. 1. Now 1000 1000 becomes 1000, no change. But 100 becomes 10,000. Why? Power 2 is here. So note it fast. Notice fast. I have to rub this. Okay. This chapter is as usual as simple, but concepts are strong in this chapter, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and by using these concepts we can solve very tough questions of 11 and 12 class of many books and many previous year questions by using this chapter only. Yeah, this is the base of the physics and mathematics. So okay, 1000 becomes, or 1000 no change, 1 gram cancels out, 1000 and 10,000, centimeter and centimeter no change, centimeter cancels out, gram cancels out, total, yeah, 10 to the power here. How many 10 to the power? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 10 to the power 7 is the right answer. But what is the meaning? You solve this by comparing or by dividing or by getting ratio. So we, by ratio, by getting divide, here, where is, yeah, right. Here it is in joule. Yeah, here it is in joule. And this is in erg. Why? Energy in Caesius unit has the unit erg, and energy in SI unit has the unit of joule. Yeah, joule and erg. So by joule and erg. Here joule by erg, joule by erg, joule by erg, joule by erg. Okay, no change. Joule by erg. Here also joule by erg. Joule by 1 erg, and here in RHS 1. Why? E and E, numerator and denominator cancels out. E and E cancels out to be 1. So 1 erg. Oh, opposite हो गया ना, opposite हो गया. We have to change this. Okay, right? We have to change this. 1 joule is in 1 erg, okay? 1 joule is in 1 erg. Erg is in a denominator, okay? 1 joule, okay? 1 joule, okay? Yeah, 10. Here 1 joule. Yeah, right. This is right. So we write 1 joule is equal to 1 erg. How? So we get 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7. Yeah, 10 to the power 7 is the right answer. 10 to the power 7 is the right answer. How? 1 joule is equal to, yeah, right. Not this. Here is in joule and here is in erg. So SI unit of, yeah, right. This is the energy dimension formula, but here is joule. Yeah, SI unit what? Our SI unit of energy is joule, and it is equal to 1 kg and 1 meter square and 1 second power minus 2 and 1 erg. We have to write this because at the last when we find a question how to do this ratio equal, so we have to divide this by joule and erg. So 1 joule we get 10 to the power 7 erg, or